So if you're not in mentorship, you are missing out. If you cannot make the live session tonight, guess what? There's a replay. It's recorded. So you can always go back and catch the replay. Also, and then also included in mentorship is the private chat, which is probably why Alexis was calling me, because I see the chat kind of blowing up. So we got something going on over there. So if you have any questions while you're building your business, like Google My Business, you're stuck, put it in the chat. If you are on an assignment, you need some help, we start with the chat always, each one teach one. And then if we need to, we will give you a call outside of that. Hey, hit me up at my DM, or I'll hit you up in your DM and we'll call you, okay? What else is included? That's enough, right? So all of that, what we just talked about at the time of this recording, is $47 per month. Yep. And you have access to 14 courses, live weekly training / coaching every week, and also a live chat. Well, the chat is live, but by phone / group me is how we communicate, okay? And access to the replays. So Israel, let's see what Israel says. How do you fix it? Let's go back to the original question. How do you fix a mistake? Israel says, cross it out and put initials and date. Are we in agreement? Is that how you would fix a mistake? Anybody else? One more person. Is that how you fix the mistake? If you're in agreement, let's put 1 or 0. 1 for yes, 0 for no. You cross out the incorrect one. Cross out the incorrect one. Put your initials and date it. Get it, people? So yes, you all are correct. That is exactly how you fix your mistake. Hey Notary fam, it's Kimmi. I am here to let you know, just in case you have not heard about the Notary Business Coaching Success Program. We meet weekly. We talk about your notarial duties, how to do an acknowledgement, how to do a jurat, how to administer an oath, everything you've been asking for. And guess what else is included? Unlimited access to all of my trainings that will also include ink fingerprinting, trust / estate documents. Learn how to properly execute a trust. Don't forget, we also have the private community, like-minded notaries who have been trained by me. Check out my book that I've written for each state, How to Start Your Notary Business in Alabama, California. You get the point. Wherever you're located, there's a book for your state. Well, hopefully I'll see you soon over in training. Notary Educators, LLC. We got you covered. Bye. Now, unfortunately, I had to stamp it 3 times. And again, my paper looks so ugly. So I gave her a discount. I gave her $5 off. I wanted to do 10. But the greedy side of me said just give it for 5, because I still traveled to her. I still did everything else. But I wanted to just show good faith. Now, the question is, should I have asked her for a review? What's your thoughts on that? When you make a mistake or you feel like it didn't go well, do you still ask for a review? Let's see. Review, yes or no? Y for yes, N for no. Can you do Y or N? Should I still ask her for a review and I jacked up her paper? Ain't no other way to say it. I messed up that paper. Joe said, yeah, ask her for that review. Let's see, 1 or 2 more. Do you still ask for the review? Yes or no? Do we ask for the review? Yes or no? Yes or no? Do we ask for the review? One more person. Let's see what the people say. No takers? Okay. Well, I'm going to disagree, Joe. I'm going to disagree. In this case, yeah, Tanjanika. Hey, Tanjanika. She is in mentorship. How you doing? Tanjanika's like, no. And I'm going to agree with Tanjanika and disagree with Joe this time. If I knowingly messed up like royally, I don't ask for the review. I don't, guys. And I'm all about getting that review. But I did not think it would go well. She acted as though she wasn't upset. She kept saying, oh, no worries. It's okay. But then once they're out of your face and they have an opportunity to think about it, and they'd be like, that girl, she stamped my paper 3 times. I didn't even want to risk her putting anything negative. So what I did do, we always thank our client. I sent her a nice thank you note and I said, thank you. So I always send a nice thank you note. So I did that, but I did not ask her for the review because I already knew I kind of messed up, you know. And also, if your client is having a super bad day or you're having a bad day, because we have off days, right? I don't ask for the review. I always say thank you, so my note will sound different. So instead of saying, it was my pleasure to serve you, we thank you for your 5-star review, I'll just say thank you so much for allowing us to service you today, or serve you, or whatever you want to put in there. Okay. So that was one thing. I also had something else I wanted to share about that experience today. I gave her a discount, $5 off. What else? I think that was it. It was something else regarding her though that I wanted to share. It's slipping my mind right now, but that's okay. So anyway, if you are not in mentorship again, I'm going to highly encourage you to check it out. Tanjanika, what are your thoughts about mentorship? I know I'm putting you on the spot. Oh, let me tell y'all this too. For those who are watching, period. Well, I'll say this. So I've heard people say, you don't tell your clients. She says, I love it. Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. You don't tell your clients. Can you imagine going to a restaurant and they ask you, they say, hey, can you leave us a review? Just leave us a couple stars. No, because I've heard people say you don't tell people what to leave you. In my notes that I send my client, I always say, can you leave us a 5-star review? Why? Because I don't want you to leave me a 3 or 4-star review. So somebody recently reviewed the mentorship. They wrote in there, oh, the comments were beautiful. Makes me feel more confident. Yes, Tanjanika. And that's the point of mentorship. And especially the way we do it, it's not fluff. It's no fluff. You walk away knowing what to do. It's not just a social event. It is real life training. Okay. Real life scenarios, real life interaction. There is no fluff with our training. So I'm glad you're using those words. I love it. More confident. And I just told somebody else that the other day. The more confident you are when it comes to pricing your services, the more confident you are in executing and delivering the service, you'll be confident asking for the value of what you're worth. Okay. Because somebody I just read, they put it in one of my YouTube videos really just today, actually. I haven't had time to respond to any videos, guys. So please forgive me. All my time be over in mentorship. The question was, do I think they should accept a 40-page or 20-page document signing for $20? If you're watching, that's going to be a no-go. I'm only going to take a $20 job in the event I just want some experience. But no, I'm not going to recommend that. I'm not. It's not worth your time. It's just not. I mean, you got to drive there, print 2 sets of documents. Yeah, even if I'm printing one, because sometimes somebody say, well, it's only 1 set. Yeah, but no, I'm not. Now, you can do it if you want to. And that's the best thing about being a business owner. You get the right to choose. Get the right to choose what you want to do. So for me, I'm not doing it. I'm not. I have a rule of 2024, and I stuck with it pretty much all year. I'm so proud of myself. I don't typically leave my house under $50. I don't. Not anymore. Now, I've been in business now for almost 5 years, almost 5. So, I know my stuff. We'll say that. So I can tend to be a little pickier, maybe just than someone just starting out. But yeah, no, I'm not doing it. $20, no. So as of 2024 January, if you go back and watch that video, I think I started talking about it in December 2023. But for sure, one of my goals with 24 was to increase my prices, and I did that, and it was better. Now, will I increase for 2025? I won't increase my minimum to leave my home. I may play around with my and I did better even at charging when they come to me. I've done a lot better. I'm